Hello everyone and welcome back here to my YouTube channel. My name is Evelina and I do makeup. Today's look is quite simple. It's based only on yellows and greens, and I also have this little sparkly element, a heart sticker type of thing that changes colors from pink to green, and I think it's a really nice detail to today's makeup. Before we start today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up if you like the video, and somewhere on my page click the bell icon to get notifications about my new uploads. That being said, let's start a tutorial and I hope you enjoy it.